Connecting devices via Bluetooth technology has become an integral part of our busy lives. Once paired with your vehicle, your smartphone seamlessly connects to your Mazda every time you enter your vehicle and start the ignition. To listen to items in your device's library, simply choose Entertainment on the home screen, and then select your device from the audio sources. Navigate the device's library, then to start playback, select Play Pause. On some phones, playback might begin automatically. To stop playback, select Play Pause again. Your Mazda also has some internet streaming options already integrated into the Mazda Connect system. For example, Pandora. To play Pandora through your car's audio system, first make sure you already have the Pandora app on your smartphone. Once you've logged into Pandora, choose the station you want to hear. Now, from the Mazda Connect home screen, select Entertainment, and then pick Pandora from audio sources. Once connected, you can navigate through your stations, skip songs, and even thumbs up or thumbs down songs. To find out if your phone is compatible with Bluetooth audio streaming, go to www.mazdausa.com/Bluetooth.